How to change your Zip Life account password. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can change Zip Life account password. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're already logged into your account, you will land on your home page. If you navigate to your bottom right corner, there is profile icon, tap on it. Once you land on your profile page, scroll down a bit and head towards settings and tap on it. On the settings page, tap on account and security. As you can see here, there is no any option in order to change your password. So for that, what you can do is go back and on the settings page, you have to sign out of your account in order to change your password. So tap on sign out. Here again, tap on sign out. And now once you're logged out of your account, you can change your password. First of all, type in your email. And under the sign in page, there is a link as forget password, tap on it. And here it says either you want to reset your password by email or through the verification code. For now, select the reset password by email. Now enter your email address associated with your account. Under that, complete the verification. Then tap on OK. Once you're verified, now the email has been sent in your account to reset your password. Then tap on got it. Now you have to close this, open up your Gmail, and there you will have a link or email from the Zepp Life. Now you can reset your password. Tap on reset now. You will land on this page. Now you have to create a new password. Confirm your password. Once you're done, tap on OK. Now your password has been changed. You can go back to Zepp Live application. Now you can log in with your newly created password. And that's the way to change your password in Zepp Live account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.